Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to install and connect NordVPN on your Android phone for free. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. NordVPN is one of the fastest and most secure VPNs available, perfect for protecting your privacy and accessing content from anywhere in the world. NordVPN is a paid VPN, but they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee that lets you try it completely risk-free. This means you can install it, use all the premium features, and decide if you want to keep it. If not, you can cancel within 30 days and get a full refund. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type NordVPN and tap Install. Once the app finishes downloading, open it. If you already have a NordVPN account, log in with your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, tap Sign Up and choose a plan. If you want to use NordVPN for free, select the monthly plan, pay for it, and then mark your calendar so you can cancel before the 30 days are over to get your money back. Once you are logged in, you will see a map and a list of countries. To connect, either tap Quick Connect to get the fastest server available or choose a specific country from the list. NordVPN will connect in a few seconds, and your IP address will be changed instantly. You can use this method to stream region-locked content, access websites that are blocked in your location, or browse securely on public Wi-Fi. NordVPN encrypts all your internet traffic, keeping you safe from hackers and trackers. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy premium VPN protection on your Android device completely risk-free.